The Rimac Nevera is a groundbreaking electric hypercar that has garnered significant attention for its exceptional performance and innovative technology. Several YouTube reviews have delved into the details of this remarkable vehicle, highlighting its capabilities and features. One such review is titled, 2025 Rimac Nevera Review, the $2.5 million hypercar that's. This video provides an in-depth look at the Nevera's design, performance, and technological advancements. It emphasizes the car's impressive acceleration with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 1.74 seconds and a top speed of 258 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest production electric vehicles available. Another review, 2025 Rimac Nevera Review, Power, Innovation, and Pure Speed, focuses on the engineering marvels that make the Nevera stand out. The video discusses the car's 4 electric motors, which collectively produce 1,914 horsepower, and its advanced torque vectoring system that enhances handling and stability. The reviewer also notes the Nevera's ability to set multiple performance records, including a quarter-mile time of 8.25 seconds. In the 2025 Rimac Nevera Full Review, Hypercar of the Future, the reviewer explores the Nevera's cutting-edge features, such as its carbon fiber monocoque chassis, butterfly doors, and a suite of driver assistance technologies. The video highlights the car's 120 kilowatt-hour battery pack, which offers a range of approximately 490 kilometers, WLTP cycle, and its capability to charge from 0 to 80% in under 30 minutes using fast-charging infrastructure. These reviews collectively showcase the Rimac Nevera as a pinnacle of electric vehicle innovation, combining blistering performance with state-of-the-art technology and design. The car's limited production run of 150 units and its price tag of around $2.5 million underscore its exclusivity and appeal to automotive enthusiasts and collectors alike.